In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate cells in Excel to 60 degrees. Alright, let's face it, presentations and reports often demand a certain aesthetic appeal to carry your data with an added flair. Occasionally, this means rotating the text within your cells to give your spreadsheet that extra level of professionalism, or just to fit everything nicely. It might sound a bit tricky if you haven't done it before, but fret not. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be flipping, twirling, and spinning text like a pro, specifically at that magic angle of 60 degrees. So, grab your digital notepad or just your good old attention, and let's dive right in. First things first, we need to access Excel. Given the wide array of Microsoft services available, we're going for the most accessible one, the free Microsoft 365 online suite. This means you don't have to worry about having the software installed on your computer. All you need is an internet connection and a browser. Simply navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online homepage. Once there, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in is accessing Excel, so go ahead and click on Sign In. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. This could be any email that you have registered with Microsoft. If you don't have one, it might be a good time to create it. It's a straightforward process. Once you've input your email, click Next to proceed. Now for the fun part, let's get our hands on an actual Excel file. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using an example file. This file is just a simple Excel spreadsheet, but you can use any file you want, as long as it's something you're looking to edit. Remember, the process is the same, regardless of the document's content. Within your chosen file, navigate to the cell or range of cells whose text you wish to rotate. Right-click on the selected cell or cells to bring up the context menu where you'll find various options. Look for Format Cells. This is your gateway to a multitude of cell formatting options, including the one we're after today, text rotation. Upon clicking Format Cells, a dialog box will appear with several tabs. Click on Alignment. This tab is where Excel keeps all the secrets to cell alignment and text control, including rotation. If you take a moment to look around, you'll see a section named Orientation. Here's where the magic happens. In the Orientation section, you'll notice a box where you can input the degree of rotation directly. For our purpose, type 60, and marvel as the angle indicator automatically adjusts to your input. This box is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to either type in your desired angle or use the adjacent orientation graphic for a more visual selection. Once you've input 60, click OK, and voila, the text within your selected cells will now be stylishly rotated to 60 degrees. It's as simple as that. What's great about this feature is its precision and flexibility. Whether it's for aesthetic reasons, data presentation, or just to make everything fit nicely, rotating text can add that extra layer of finesse to your spreadsheets. There you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to rotating cell text in Excel to 60 degrees. Remember, Excel is a very powerful tool with lots of functionalities hidden under its hood. The more you explore, the more you'll find ways to enhance your spreadsheets, making your data presentation not just clearer, but more visually appealing. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I encourage you to try this out with different angles and cells. Experimenting is the best way to learn the ins and outs of Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.